Ahoy there! I'm the Treasure Stacker. Welcome back, my loyal crew, as we take a look at what is heating up in the markets right now. And no, I'm not talking about Bitcoin, I'm talking about gold. Gold back to $3,300. And guys, it's looking pretty steady right there. Meanwhile, silver, I know a lot of us like to stack silver, we love silver, but it is completely flatlining, guys. It is just chilling, $32, $33. It hasn't moved at all. Unfortunately, people are not looking at silver like a precious metal right now, which is a complete bummer, unless of course you're trying to stack some more. So the other big news is what Robert Kiyosaki posted on X. Is he sounding the alarm? Looks like he might be. So first of all, I want to show you guys the gold coins that I still have in my collection. If you guys have been watching my videos over this last year, you'll know that maybe some things are missing. Okay, so first thing I want to say, guys, is bars. We're done with that. Don't have any bars. No gold bars, guys. Instead, I got this 2019 quarter ounce gold eagle. That's right. You can see the 1/4 quarter ounce. Got a nice capsule for it too. You guys know I like to keep the gold in the capsules if I could get the capsules. Courtesy of the local coin shop. They've been pretty awesome to me. So now I got my half ounce gold coin and my quarter ounce gold coin in these nice little capsules right here. So yeah, guys, we are still buying gold, especially when you see gold touch a new all-time high like $3,500 and then drop back down to $3,200. Now remember, I did chase gold a little bit there. I bought my quarter ounce gold Britannia for $850, and that was a spot price of $3,400. So it's all right, you know, you average it out. But I'm still going to be looking to pick up some more either quarter ounce coins or 10th ounce coins, depending on how much extra cash I have at any given time. But yeah, I think gold is king. Cash is not king anymore, guys. It's all about the gold. Silver is going to have its time, but who knows when that is. So that brings me to the big point here. Robert Kiyosaki has put his forecast there on his X post. He says gold is going to $25,000, silver's going to $70, and Bitcoin to $500,000 or $1 million, whatever the hell it is. Not too concerned with that. So if gold can get to that $25,000 point in the future, because the Fed keeps printing money, I guess it doesn't really matter if what price you're buying it at right now, if we have those days ahead of us. But we might have those days ahead of us, because if you read the post, I'm going to post a picture of it on here. I'm going to screenshot it for you guys. The Federal Reserve bought $50 billion worth of bonds because no other countries want to pick up our tab anymore. That's right, guys. They probably would rather go off and buy gold, a real tier 1 asset, instead of, hey, the US government is going to pay you back somewhere down the line with some useless dollars that are falling in purchasing power. Yeah, it's a debt spiral, but what can you do? So yes, there is still a lot of upside for gold, which is why I'm still buying it, even if you have to buy 1 gram. But I'm gonna be honest, guys, I'm not even gonna buy a gram of gold anymore. Just a 10th ounce or bigger. It's better to, just math purposes, it's easier to know what a 10th ounce is going for. 10% of the spot price of gold. It's a lot easier to figure out than what 1 gram or 1/31st, of, or 31th, yeah, 1/31th of a ounce. Yeah, but it's not easy math, guys. So let's talk about silver here, guys. Yes, I got my beautiful silver Libertad right here. Something I will always keep in my collection. Really should get a couple more of these, but right now, guys, I'm not really looking to buy silver. There is one silver coin I am still stacking. I'll talk about that in maybe my next video, but for right now, we're kind of just chilling on silver. I do think we have more time, guys. Silver usually takes off towards the end of the gold bull market, and I don't think we're close to the end of the gold bull market, guys. I think you still might have at least another year or two to stack silver. Could be wrong, but you know, for people that already have a good amount of silver, like, I don't think there's a rush right now. I think the rush is to stack more gold. That's what I think. I think the rush is to get the gold before it's out of reach, because once it really is out of reach, then everyone's going to buy silver. Yes, silver will go up. Yes, you could trade back for gold. Yes, but I'm just thinking about purchasing, guys. I'm not really trying to play the gold to silver ratio. I mean, gold is awesome and silver is awesome. You need to have both in your stack, but I just don't feel like I personally have enough gold. If you have a lot of gold at home, you already got enough ounces, coins, whatever, then fine, keep stacking silver. Great, awesome. But you know, everyone has their own goals. I want to see at least like 4 or 5 more coins on this table before I'm done stacking gold, and I don't even know what size those coins are going to be, but I want to have my treasure chest over there. You know, I want to see it filled with gold. I don't want to see silver and gold. I want to see it, open it up, and whoa, look at all that gold. That's my goal. And everyone has their own goals. So yeah, silver, got enough silver. Not too worried about it right now. So the big takeaway from today's video is the fact that the Fed had to print more money to buy back their own debt. This is gonna keep putting more pressure on gold and silver to rise in price, especially gold, being that it's going to be the only tier 1 asset that's not a bond or a treasury, something that is specifically dollar based. So hopefully you guys have already acquired a decent stack, or maybe now's the time to take it seriously. But I do want to thank you guys all for watching. This is the 50th video of this channel. Thank you guys all for watching. I'm trying to get back on a normal schedule with my posting of videos. Work has just been a lot to deal with lately. It's just super busy right now this time of year, but I'm going to try to get back in the grind and put videos out weekly again. So to all ye out there, keep on stacking your treasures. Have a great day and farewell.